Hi, in this video, I'm just going to show you how to convert fractions into decimals. As you can see here, they have given us values in fraction and we have to change them into decimals. Some of you who already know how to do this one, this type of topic, you can try to do all of these questions. And at the end, you will see there are answers given. So you can compare your answers, you can tally your answers with the answers provided here. I will do some of these questions. I'm not going to do all of them, but I will explain you the method how to do them. So it will be easier. Before I start from question number one, which is obviously 2 divided by 7, I think I should start from a bit easier one for you, which is 2 divided by 3. I'm talking about this question here. So I'm going to do this question first, then I will go to the first one, and then we will do maybe a few more. So 2 over 3. So what you have to do is you can put, there's a 2 divided by 3, right? So you can write 2 inside the bus stop and 3 outside. Now we have to divide 2 by 3. Obviously, the method is that how many times 3's timetable can go on 2. 3's timetable cannot go on 2 because 2 is a smaller number. So what we do, we write 0 here and then we write decimal. And then once we have written decimal here, we can write as many zeros as we like on this place. So I'm going to write first 0. Then now we divide 3 by 20. How many times 3's timetable can go on 20? 3's timetable goes on 20 or less than 20 is 6. 3 times 6 is 18. 18. Now we take away 18 from 20. 3 times 6 is 18. We take away 18 from 20, so we get 2 here. So we write 2. Now 2 is a small number. Again, 3 is big. So what we do, we can write another 0 here. Now this is not 2 anymore. This is 20. Now we have to divide 20 again by 3. This 20 by 3. Again, how many 3's can go on 20 or less than 20? 3 times 6 is 18. So we write 6 and 18. How many? Okay, now we take away 18 from 20. So we get 2 again. So now 2 is obviously small and 3 is big. So what we do, we put 0 here again. Now is 20 again. How many 3's can go on 6 on 20? 3 times 6 is 18. So we write 6 here, right? So it will keep on going. As you can see, 20, 20, 20. So it will keep on going like 0.66666. So what we do here is we will write the answer like 0.66 recurring. Whether you can do dots like this or you can put one dot on the top of one. We can write only 1 6 and we can write one dot on the top. It means 6 recurring. 6 recurring means that 6 will be repeated. Or there's another method as well to write this one as you can write it the other way as well, which is 0.66, and then you can do these dots. It means 666. So that's the answer. Now I'm going to do the first question, which is here. We have to divide 2 by 7. So what we do again, we write 2 inside and 7 outside, right? Now, how many times 7's timetable can go on 2? It cannot go because 2 is a smaller number. So what we do, we write 0 here and we write decimal here. Now, once we have written decimal here, we can write 0 here. Now is 20. So this is the math rule that once you have written 0 decimal there, you can write as many zeros as you like. Now it's 20. How many times 7's timetable can go on 20 or less than 20? We know that 7 times 2 is 14. If we do 7 times 4, 7 times 3, that will be 21. 21 will be bigger than 20. So we have to be less than 20. So 7 times 2 is 14. So take away 14 from 20. So we get 6, right? So, 6. Now what we have got 6 here. How many times 7's timetable can go on 6? It does not go because 6 is a small number. So what we do, we write 0 here Now it's 60. How many times 7's timetable can go on 60? Right? We know that 7 times uh, 8 is 56. 7 times 8 is 56. So we can do 8, 56. Now we take away 56 from this 60. So we get 4. Right? We get 4. Hello? Yes, hi. This is Imran. How are you? I'm fine. You know what? Honestly, it was a very wrong decision. I should not have taken admission. I was kind of misguided and I requested this thing to the learning people that if you can refund me money, and they said no, we can't. I did not even practice it because IT is not the one thing which is for me. And yeah, I did not do any paper. I did not attempt any paper. I did not practice because when I was convinced, I received, I think, a phone call, and I was kind of very in a convincing way. I was sold this course, and I have not been able to uh, do this one at all. Yeah, no, not even one. Not even the basic one, because I realized that this is not for me.